Thanks for coming back to calciumtherapy.com. Mark Manhart. I want to talk to you about a subject that you might find very interesting. Pocket measuring. Pocket depth. Gum pocket depths. We go around, dentists go around measuring pockets, and they're telling, and we're saying, well, you have a 3 millimeter, 6 millimeter pocket. This is good, this is bad, everything. And what's happening here is we're taking a linear measurement and translating it immediately into a biological measurement, which is very, very difficult to defend. I don't think that that's very smart. Measuring pockets is spreading infection all over your mouth. It's important to know and know whether the pockets are healthy or not, but there are other ways to find out than to go into a pocket and say, when does it begin to bleed when I put so much pressure on it? Bleeding upon pressure doesn't make sense. An example would be going between your fingers with a knife and seeing how much pressure it takes to create the blood to drain. Okay, that's silly. Pocket measuring can be accomplished by getting a brush and brushing your teeth, and just 3 to 5 minutes brushing your teeth, and that's fine. And it will inactivate almost any pocket, and the infection can be controlled that way. And so, why are we doing this? Well, people say it's against the law. You can't do dental work until you have your pockets measured. No. Don't let anybody con you into that, because there is no such law. It's silly. And so, don't figure that you can get a diagnosis of a biological condition by going around poking people. Because two things, it spreads infection all over your mouth, which you do not need to have done. And this is something that you decide. You decide whether you want them, and I would encourage you to not do that. It just doesn't tell us anything. It's very much like, you look at an x-ray. You can't figure everything out with an x-ray. Don't depend on one thing. You can't figure out certain things when you're looking at it. You can't figure out things going around measuring pockets. So avoid that if at all you can. Thanks for coming. Mark Manhart at calciumtherapy.com.